Yes, Aishwarya, this is for you.
Thank you, sir.
For the great success and a trophy also for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
She is Aishwarya Sharma. She has secured 98% marks this year in CBSE 12th class. For her success, we are going to award her with the trophy and the
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. It is like it couldn't be possible without you too. And I'm feeling really happy right now, achieving this score. And like all of you have helped me a lot. You've helped me so much in economics. And it's like, I wanted to score so much and I was so poor in it. But thank you so much, sir. Like my score could have been, like really less, but you've made it possible. Thank you.
Anytime, Aishwarya, I am with you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Shashi Bhushan, CA Director, CA Shashi Bhushan classes. Today, Aishwarya Sharma is with me. Aishwarya Sharma achieved 98% marks in 12th class this year. In psychology, 100%. In economics, 98%. And other subjects also, aggregates, she secured 98%. I am taking interview and total 20 questions for the interview. How she can achieve this type of good marks in the examination for the further students who are preparing for the 12th class examination. We have also another institutions, Quantum J Academy for IIT classes, the Scholar Hub in Chitawadi for 9, 10, 11, 12 other subjects classes. And I am running here the CA Shashi Bhushan classes for 11, 12 commerce students and further for CA classes and CS and ICW classes. My first question is, what was your motivation behind the success?
If I just talk about my motivations, then my motivations, the biggest motivations were always my parents. And then I think it is always important that you should have that motivation from inside to score that much marks or whatever your target is. Motivation is always important, right? So you should always have that intrinsic motivation within yourself to score, achieve good in your life.
My second question is, why 98%? Why not more than 90%? I think 100% because you have already secured in psychology 100 marks,
Yeah.
in my subject economics 98%
Yeah.
marks, and aggregate total 98%.
I will tell you. It was like from the very beginning, my target for 12th was like even if I score above 95, I will be happy. It was like I opened my result and then I calculated it was like 98%, and then I was really happy. I was satisfied because it was like more than my target to achieve. It was like I was happy. Not 100 but 98 is like a well score, I think so.
That's good. That's good. Third question, what is your further objectives?
Right now, I think I have done great in psychology and I have developed my interest. I have explored that subject for 2 years. So yeah, I'm just planning for psychology, to take up my further career.
Okay. Now your gate are open for the Delhi University because you are already 98%, right. And I think Delhi University cutoff last year was also 98%, 99%.
Yeah.
Between these 95 to 100%. How much time you devoted for this study?
It is like there was not a particular time I devoted for studying. It was always that I used to take breaks in between. But the breaks were not as in I am taking, a long span of breaks. The breaks were to the limit that was necessary. I used to study the time. Like the time was not always, fixed time. But it was like, yeah, I have to study for the whole day. I'll take breaks in between. It was like that.
Okay, the next question is, what is the effectiveness of tuitions?
I think tuitions actually play a very important role. Like I will just talk about myself. I was like really poor in economics. If I just talk about, it was like sir helped me a lot. I found that economics tuition, and I was grateful for him for teaching me. It was like the concepts you don't understand. The tuitions are always to guide you. After all, you have to learn things eventually. But it will help you to the greatest extent. I think so. Helped me a lot. So I think effectiveness of tuition is like, it is. There is effectiveness of tuition a lot.
Okay. I think you are satisfied with the tuition services.
I scored 98 in economics though.
Okay. My next question is, whom you give the credit for your success?
Like first of all, my parents, of course. The journey could be completed.
Aishwarya, what is your school name?
It is St. Mark's Senior Secondary Public School, Janakpuri.
Okay, it is situated in Janakpur.
Yeah.
Okay. And your biggest helper in these examination preparation time?
It was my biggest helper were always my notes, my materials, my tuitions. Of course, it guided me a lot. You know, helped me understanding all the concepts. Yeah, it was that.
Very good. Any message to other students who is preparing for the 12th class this year?
It is like I would actually like to tell you that in this pandemic, first of all, it is like really difficult because the classes are being happening virtually, and yeah, you don't have to panic. You are having a time right now. Just utilize it. Have that motivation within yourself. Have that determination to do well in life. You will definitely score good. I think just have a target that how much you want to score, and you will definitely nail everything.
Oh, Ishwarya, you should give the suggestion for the future students who are preparing for the 12th class examination this year. Any suggestion?
It is like, I know, like in this pandemic, it is really difficult for all of you. Like, you know, because the classes are happening virtually and the same things that which used to happen in school is not, it is not the same right now. I would like to say that, you know, you should have the same determination, the same, you know, motivation within yourself to do well in life. You will definitely score good if you just have that target, if you have proper schedules, and you know, if you just set up your strategies in a way, you will be able to, you know, score really good in your 12th examinations.
Every student has a curiosity. What is the best time to preparing for the study, preparation for the study? According to you, what is the best time?
I think it actually depends upon every individual that how they want to study and what time they utilize. You know, the concentration for every individual is different. I think I was an early bird. You know, some are night owls, like they prefer studying at night because of the concentration and everything. You know, it is all peaceful. But I think my mind works more early mornings. It is like I was an early bird. I used to utilize my time. I used to utilize my capabilities and potentials, everything. Morning mein. But yeah, if you are good enough to study at night also, then it's great. Because I personally wasn't able to study at night. I was like, you know, studying the whole day, and night was only for, you know, I used to reinforce myself the night period and, you know, to relax and everything. So like, yeah.
Good, good. So many institutions are in this area. Why you selected my institution?
It was like, yeah, I actually heard about you, and then I was, you know, finding a suitable situation. Like I knew that I just wanted to score a very good percentage in 12th, and you could have helped me. I took classes from you. I understand the concepts and everything. You've helped me a lot, and now the results are in front of you.
Good, thank you.